Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also guys, I did a live trading also today. So I just did a live trading on ICICI Bank. So the live trading video will also be in this video. So watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new visitor to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. So guys, today we traded on Cipla. So the buy was given in the morning itself. So as you can see, the stock performed very well and it went all the way up till 447. Okay, so we bought the stock in the morning and the stock went all the way up and we were able to book a very good amount of profit. So let me show you the profit screenshot. So here is the first screenshot of profit. So these are the client screenshots. 3,210 rupees profit, 1,150 rupees profit, and one of the client given a feedback that our good analysis was done, and 4,083 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of Cipla. And now I'll be showing you my live trade what I did in ICICI Bank. So guys, now I'll be doing a live trading on ICICI Bank. So I have not decided the levels yet. So once I decide the level, I'll be showing you guys. Actually, I placed one order in Cipla, but it was not able to execute my full quantity and the orders correctly. So I just exited with a small profit. So I'll do it again. But in Zerodha, I made it correctly and made a profit. So now let's wait for the ICICI Bank. So I've selected ICICI Bank, and when I enter the trade, I'll be updating you guys. Okay. So guys, I've decided to sell ICICI Bank at around 298. So as you guys know, the margin is less now. So I'll be putting like 550 quantity, and I'll be selling at 298.15. So whenever you're keeping a sell limit, make sure you keep a 10 paisa difference in any kind of order. So trigger pending. So once it executes, you can see in my position. So I'll update you once the order gets executed. So guys, 298.75 has been touched, so I'll be telling at 298.15 as you know. So it's almost near to sell trigger, so let's wait for it. The sell order has been triggered, so now let's wait for it. So once I exit, I shall update you guys. I shall keep like 0.5% target. Or I shall try to exit at near 296. So yes, I did exit at 296. Yes, so I booked profit around 1072 rupees. Okay, so yes, so these are the trade what I did now. So if I make any new trades, I'll update you guys. Okay, so as of now, the trade what I did is only on ICICI Bank and Cipla. As I said, the order execution had a problem. So we'll see. If I take any other trades, I'll update you guys. Okay. So guys, again I took a trade in Cipla. So the Cipla went almost like 8%. So stock was going up. So I purchased it again around 442 something, and the stock went all the way up and made a high till almost like 448. Okay, so I was able to make profit again in Cipla. So I made 2000 profit again in that in Cipla, and total as of now the total profit what I have booked is 3254 rupees. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn how to make consistent profits in intraday trading, you can join my course. I'll be guiding you in my course how you can make consistent profit like this. So guys, that was live intraday trading what I did and what are the profit that I booked on Upstocks account. And later when I see the ICICI Bank, it made a low of 291. Okay, the stock fell more than 1%, but I kept almost like 0.5% target and exited it as you guys see in the live trading video. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these videos and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.